Hello again, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert any WebP image to PNG. It's a simple and easy way. Okay, I have this link. These are the images link. There are a lot of images. I need to download the image as PNG. Okay, when I open the image, you can see the image format here uh, is JPG, but while I am trying to download the image, it is saved as WebP image. You can see it. The image format is WebP. Okay, like I have all these images here. All are the WebP format. Let me download this one. And if you go, you can see WebP, but I need those to be in PNG format. So to do this, there is a simple way. Go to your Chrome store, go to your manage extension, go to Chrome store, and here search for a plugin called WebP to PNG. So this is the website. I will put the link in the description. Just add this extension to Chrome. Add extension. Okay, now it is added. Let me pin it in my toolbar, so you will see this symbol. So now let me go to the website again. So this is the website. So while you right click here, you will see the option called save images PNG. So let me download the image, let me save it, go to download, and save. The image is in PNG format. That's cool. And let me do quickly another one. Open any image here, and if I save image directly, then it will save as WebP format. You can see WebP format, but if I right click and save image as PNG, it will save as PNG format. You can see same image but it's PNG format. So this is the extension we need to add to our Chrome store. Again, this also works on any website. Let me open any website. Uh, go, okay, let me go to any website. If I open an image, I will see the option called save images PNG, but so this works for all websites. Just try it out. If you got any problem, just let me know in comment. And be sure to subscribe the channel for future tutorials. Thank you.